Sanibonani bafethu, and this is your boy, Ukatlego Ntariana Mula, aka or Mr. Soito Kafela Mutiba, aka Mr. Cool himself. Welcome to Ikota and Chill bafethu. Welcome to a PSE channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comment down below. Uti Soweto, Siketo bafethu. Currently, Seafood Bar, your number one place where they sell proper food bafethu. Not just a Makota, because it's Ikota and Chill. It's Namkhodu, about pork trotters, yabona. Siwazi ngamangcina thina lokishini, yabo. So make sure mose aiming drive. You pull up a food bar and come enjoy and have fun with us. Kwamanje ke ngihamba nezinye izinja ke.
Yaphinda ke uzinja.
Ngifakele amandla nasi. Bathi senze izinja.
Hayi izinja
Uyibonile ayibona ngala episode yami nalama.
Uyibona inja pho.
Yeah, bathi senze izinja nama-monkey.
Wena vuma. Shuthi wena
Baba satani bekazijwayela kayo. Mala episode basihlolela. Uyibonile?
Yo, angibonanga. Okay, makancane. Sanibonani. Welcome to Kota and Chill. I'm your vibrant co-host, uMadlakaza, umuhle ngeso lakhe. Umdlulo ongadli ijuba ngabe sabubuhle balo. Umfiso ongafi ofama sekuthanda yena. Ngakho ke mungibona wathi msuthu. Ungathi inja.
Oh, kushuthi leya uthi leya kufa masekuthanda yona. Owakini. Usatani.
No, akusathani. So ukuthi ucishe ngamupha umoya unyana omncane yabo.
Wizi.
Ame kancane ngapha. Ngakho.
Choice. Tana. Angazi umnandi. Ngiyaphethe flu angazi ukuthi yathelelana leya mori kanjani so bona phambili.
Sekuthelele kuphilile ngawo. Askisi.
Ngkoloti syrup ngaphatha iflu.
Oh, yayiphuza icodeine. Oh,
mawangithanyana umuthi omkhulu.
Awuyekela ukufakela umunye umntana ingqondo ebolile manje.
Syrup yize phela wheeze and syrup. Like angeke kube wheeze bese kukhuluma ngo-syrup yabona uzosifake inkingeni antwana yami abashanga intro yabona young welcome aka yakho yangazi
ithakaza bazami
uyayizwa lento
sanibonani igama lami Msanele bangazi ngomake this beat ngiproducer Phume Jangalala yabo just a young kid on a vision mnandi ngepiano that's it
Atho umnandi ngepiano.
Oh.
Uthe ubuya kuphi?
eJangalala.
Buya la eJabulane.
Oh. Hey,
Jangalala.
Ngama-flat. Jangalala phela.
Bushes.
Oh, welele.
Of course.
eJabulane.
Yeah.
Oh, mina ngicabanga iJabulane hostel yazi. And like lapha bakhuphuka ngengoma banuza ngepiano.
Jabulane.
Mhlawumbe uyenemy yabo.
Akaze eJabulane.
Yeah, ngeke ngaye eJabulane.
Hostel udlala ngathi.
Hayi hostel.
Asajabulane mall hostel.
Mara vele kuzo.
Ayizimana nekhala nginaka ngabe ngithi umdansana. After ukuthi ay manichi.
Umkhatho, bayibiza umkhatho. Isitayela saburitha, isiphutho.
Ne.
Ngizitongazazi belu.
Hayi intombazana.
Asintombazana imbokodo.
Hayi uyabona ke ziningi mina ngimfundisa ukuthi intombazana uyaziphika.
Hayi intombazana. Intombazana injani phela.
Hayi wizi. Ne Cause shine mfethu nge-intro yabona. Ubatshela abantu igama nesibongo sobajelile more about wena ubuncane bakho yabo ubatshele ngeJangalala which is iJabulane bafethu which is la iSoweto ayikho kude neDeep Blue
izosozenza ngathi bawazi
iJangalala mina ngicabanga iJangele futhi Jangalala yabo so ayibatshela abantu kuJangalala kwenzakalani ukhule kanjani eJangalala wayekhethile igama Wiziphithi kuye eJangalala
so Minister Sami kulevele lokishini yabo njengentana sekhaya sendlini siqabanela isinko yazo bofike late ubani qeda isinko ubani yabo so impilo vele
uthi yavuka inyama iseke efrijini
you understand just confess and ebodla mele ufe neqiniso khona bazobuza
mina bengaphika nguwe ngisho kunemvuthu uthayamazi
so obviously life eselokishini yabo uhlalisa estradeni qale ngediski njengowonke umfana nje guys sihlala disk and then after matric I did IT at tertiary ngishaya IT there was this guy ngikhohliwe igama lakhe ngifunda naye so bekene futhi loops there a computer so sinama tablets the PC training is 19 shaya IT So angibonisa ukuthi ushaya ama-beats nani. At first i-complicated, awubi ne-interest kangako. Yabo. Plus benganane laptop. But kuya kwesikhathi bengiproduce esikolweni nayo. Until ngafaka kuphi ku-tablet, but it was not FL Studio, it's another version. That's where I think uthando lo music laqala. Yabo. And then from there kuzifundisa YouTube, you know, hlanganise, bought my first laptop.
Yeah.
Yabo, ngathola FL Studio, gain more knowledge ngayo yonke lento. First guys engahlangana nabo baseKasi, not far from. So ephakini banokurapha besicela ukudlala ibhola. So I then introduced ukuthi one ingaraphi komo mabhizi. And they were bad. So
Umuntu oneqiniso kanje akafuneki.
no, we were bad. Bese ngiyaqala and bona bathatha bebe beat la kaLil Wayne.
Oh, okay.
I-producer kaLil Wayne ifake instrumental online. So they download that and then they rap on top of it. So I'm thinking since ngenza ama-beat yabo abayeke lawo. Bebezama abasa-rap ngokufana because abad ama-beat. You know.
So ngizwe uthi udume ngepiano manje ufaka indaba zokurapper.
No, sisebenzisa ipiano ukwenza ama-beats. So
Usho ipiano as in instrument. Oh mina ngithi yabo bese ngicabangela ipiano.
Yeah, so it was just irony, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, so yeah, from there had to hlala. The more yenza into, the more thola ulwazi, the more uba good. Then from there, I think fast forward, ama-beat ami, they like them. They rap on top of them. So inkinga the music production, after beat making, there's music production. Hlukile.
Yeah.
So music production, sokumele senze ingoma. The beats are fine. So I had to learn that too, and that's expensive. Not all ama-mic, thola into ezibhayo to make music. So from beat making, I sold beats online. I use my Facebook to sell beats. But I'm a rapper, blow up abonist, the MT. Yeah, the hip hop scene was crazy. So I used to sell them on Matipa, 150, online. Until I got Atlanta States, Nick Hester, he's a rapper. So he would send like $100 US. And then when you bring it this side, it's like 5-6K, you know. So you're able to say, okay, I'll buy my first mic, I'll buy my first this. And then I went to YouTube to learn now produce a song. You know, how do you make a song? Mind you, ama-beat are still not that good.
Yeah.
So saying I'm a multitasker. To a point where I left school.
As in drop out.
Yeah, I'm balance. You're focusing on the financials, the skill, you know, you don't sleep, and now you still have to study.
Yeah.
It got to a point where my focus is out. Yeah, but so I supplement my subject, and then last year I dropped out. But I've learned a lot there. I found music. I'm IT savvy, like computer ngiyaqhaqa ngiyenze. Sengicabanga ama-computer,
nice.
softwares, yabo. So I'm like, noma ngayeka, yabo. So bona phambili. You know, but I'm still gonna fix indaba zeskill. So fast forward again, the equipment yan, it's not that good. The Spanish speakers are sending because speaker I have support settled. So the miking, the computer, I have rappers. No room that you know. Yeah, then went to a hobby to like something more and more and more. To a point where we have our first song, it's not perfect. It's recording a phone because that mic, waiting sound card, waiting on you know. So yeah.
Yeah.
Thinking background because what happens next is how I get introduced to industry. Yeah, because that was just me, you know. But once there's a stable, send register the music way, our group name. Little do you know, it's the industry, man. Nina na should be forming, you know, Kota and Chill, But once you form that and you register, it's a business. So I think from there, that's where I went next.
Yeah. So
Sounds
like,
like an interesting journey.
yeah, from the hip hop journey. Futhi kule
Hip hop, yeah, it was hip hop, rap. We influenced abo Sia Shezi.
Welele.
Yeah.
Khona le ama-threat man. Ngikhohliwe but intswembu nayo it lives across the street. Utaki.
Hey.
Utaki. Yeah, so Utaki akekho fair ke kithi. So those niggas abantu besihlala nabo ba-rap besiblomile uyafika. Yabo uzothungisa umkhatho.
Utaki.
Yeah, ziyasha. Yabo ashi 16 inja leya, you know. When he records with a yabo intswembu ke. So influenced her and then biggest influence to Tweezy production side.
Yeah.
You know that nigga bengisaqala ngenza ama-beat, he was gone. His Yonke hit song is there. He was that guy, guys. And he lives across the street. But uhlala emafletini, but kubo kungada. So yeah. That's imvelaphi yami.
Manje njengoba usho ukuthi le journey sale yabanzimanyana in a way yokuthi mhlawumbe kuphazamise esikoleni. Awuzisoli sometimes ube like ayi mara kube ngibekezelile or mhlawumbe timing yakho awukuyicabange nje lento leyo.
Financially I do. Because I would be at a better financial state than now. You know, if I finished my graduate, national ITM, you know, I probably have my own house, everything, you know, financially. But spiritually, what makes me happy, I'm proud I left school.
Yeah.
Because I'm happy, I'm fulfilled.
Yeah.
I love Lenteng and I love where it's going.
Yeah.
Because young sevens slowly but surely.
Yeah, it's vele basho kanjalo, but being successful doesn't necessarily mean ukuthi ube financially stable and stuff. It's where mhlawumbe une peace. Ulale ngepeace, uvuke ngepeace, like impilo yakho nje be peaceful, ube happy. Phakathi. I understand that. That's when you know ukuthi life is right imnandi.
Yeah. So going back to the music.
Yeah.
Masikhuluma ngabo Taki. Sikhuluma ngabo Sia Shezi. And now you're a producer. I remember the era yama-cypher thina besithanda ukuyisilagezi.
Sure.
Yeah, I remember the era yama-cypher yabo. So why nangoma like abo Shezi, abo Taki, do you have songs with them? They are big brands from there.
When I there, I was still there. Like bongalung, you understand. To a point of which after the era Ekasi rap, I'm finding my toes. You understand? Okay. Remember, Ekasi rap was more on the rappers.
Yeah.
Producers were less informed. Bokunabo came Shelley, no see 20, and there's like one producer, and I come and no one like computer back then, cause you know I was 2K. Tina got the computer was something.
Hey, the hectic one computer.
Mawumkhuluma ngama 2K.
Ufike phezulu
ngikubuza ukuthi una
no technology kini
lo mdala uzangigama Wheezy
Beats ukuthi so kanti unangakhi mokhuluma ngama 2K kanje unentshebenyana fethu khambani kanti
na 35
yeah mina ngiyakhola Wheezy Beats
35
yeah Wheezy
serious
ngadlala ngi96
okay
10 29 sure but still ama 2K izinto zivela manje bazalele
okay usho kanje
silver plate
yabo so sure computer ayi mfethu bese ngicaba so bohlala ku computer net basically yabo and the information ayikho ekugcineni noma ungaba ne computer music production awucaba utenzwa ngecomputer because njengobusho beyenzwa ngama-cypher abantu bebeneyingoma bobani maybe singathi abo the guru yeKasi rap producer kanje bani
speak
yeah
speaker where we probably
relevant as a producer so thina besingekho relevant to a point ukuthi ngizenza ingoma because angeke ngikwazi ukumenzela ekugcineni
Isonda ngathi into enzimanyana producer Awusichazele mhlawumbe ngeprocess yakhona. Uyithola phi i-creativity yakho? Because labona uhlanganisa i-beats from scratch, I mean, from entweni encane to something so big, to ingoma ekhalayo. Awusichazele ngaleyo process.
Yeah, process production. Yeah, njengobusho. Uvula idoor yakho, i-DAW, it's the software you use to make beats. You open it, you know. But before you even have a privilege or change a beat, you need sound packs.
Yeah,
You need to know how to load them. You need plugins, you know, where you get sounds. So once you get those things granted, you then open it the AW, uyaqala, kick, snare, melody. So you layer everything, you know, you layer little by little. Boom, melody, bass line. After bass line, you layer whatever you want to lay. And then playlist yakho, you make it a song so that the mutazocula from chorus to verse, chorus, verse out. Yeah.
So manulalela nje ukuthi sound kahle, uchange kanjalo.
Yeah, but ungakhohlwa, music is spiritual.
yeah, it's a
so
spiritual thing.
it's you can't just do it. It's complicated. Even in the sound yakho, you know, when it's all about it, they want to appreciate it. It has to be good. You can sing, and I think you get that spiritual with this piano could match with this bass line. And also it's theory music to normal key with it's off key to what music unana scholar now.
Yeah.
You know, you need to know music. Yeah, that's why when you go to orchestra,
Squash it.
yeah, squash it. You know, it's that theoretical one. But in its practical, sahlanganisa. The same uhlanganisa isigirigiri, music. I understand.
Hey, dog.
Yeah, le artists understand the culture
Yes,
zemoto.
kiri.
Hlanganisa imoto BBS nabo spiritually yabachaza imoto. So I feel like the music it's a field where just like athletic yafana nje.
Waza describe kamnandi
Yeah.
music.
Yeah.
Yamuzwa.
Yeah.
Shithi kushaya la ngaphakathi.
I don't think it's for everyone. Production for it, I
Yeah.
don't think
Wait.
it's scarce. Yeah.
Okay, I want to describe how does music makes you feel into it, nje?
Yeah, music, we live in a fucked up world. So music is where you tap into a space where you don't tap into your anxiety, you don't get depressed, you know. You feel happy, you feel free, you can start your day. Because uqale kanjalo bongumamela bonguthanda bolilwe. I would sing their raps word to word till ekugcineni. So uqala lapho. Where vele empilweni yakho you need music to survive. Uyakhila, you don't know
Deep
khila
connection
kanjani.
kahle kahle.
Yeah, like awucabangi into eningi, you know, you're in a safe space. To a point that when I make it, that's amplified. Ngiyabona ukuthi yo. Yeah, like I'm peaceful, Joe. Yeah, once I start making a beat, angicabangi inkinga, angicabangi into ezibhaya, yabo.
Yeah.
Yeah, I live a simple life because sigcina sesiphila impilo eningi nento ezibhaya because we don't have a healing process. So mina personal as umuntu, I'm peaceful because I have music. It heals me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Abanye bayagijima, abanye
Yazi mawuthi music heals kanjalo.
Hey, I'm a Christian.
escape. So my escape is music.
Mawuthi music heals
not
ngicabanga uNtarian to be honest. Ayizwa voice yakhe sounda kanjani.
Yeah.
And then imagine uyethekile blind. Okanye nje going through something serious and then
Sure.
nangu uNtarian uyacula.
Ngisho no-question shines.
Hayi phela wena usiquest.
Oh, no,
Quest different.
for my love song,
Of course.
Awuthi kancane ngizwe.
Nandunayo, yes.
Mfethu.
Awu cha ngumshashana.
Yeah,
If I
amtshela.
can lock in with you,
You must lock it.
Ini?
ngiyakutshela.
Lakuzini.
No ngifuna ukuyizwa le.
Ngidla kahle ihlahla.
Hayi ngiyamtest.
Shaking
Ngicela
down.
nisiphekele something sizwe ukuthi ushaye le soprano yabo.
Yabo udlalela kude cabanga
Angeli
soprano.
kanje.
Ngafenta.
Angakalunga
Rap.
Rap.
Rap. Ngakho.
Uzoba
So,
uluda favors.
hayi. Emkhulu awungitshele because
Sure,
mosha
okay.
ibeat.
Yeah.
Ibeat ne structure, ne.
Yeah.
Wena istructure unzembuva chords baseline like mangakuthumelela ibeat ngathi ungifakeleni ngitswembu ngayo ozithemba ukuthi yabona le
Yeah.
ngitswembu ngale
So meaning I can't play instruments, meaning I can't play piano.
oh yo
No, but mina ngintembo like melody.
oh yeah
So EFL Studio ayifani njengasesontweni. Esontweni kune pianist. Uyahlala lapha epiano, shaya ingoma wethu like yeah imam. But bengamnika EFL Studio shaya beat. Izomshaya. So ngiya understand that nto. So mina nge beat making ngintembo I can trap for instance. A trap beat I don't need to know a piano. I don't need to know a guitar. Yeah, but I can just play do. Yeah, trapping.
uyazi trapping
Ngifake iscope uyabo. So mina my strongest point I think FL Studio. Yabo. Because I can do drums ngitswembu.
oh ngitswembu matrap
Bassline ngitswembu.
okay
Uyabo. Which will show you why I'm able to produce multiple genres. Wonke swap. Ngizokushayela. Because ngitswembu ngayo leya software.
yeah
But bongathi ngikudlalele yabo bokabza bayadlala.
yeah
They play, you know, so I can't play.
ngiyathrow
I draw, but i-short lam zokushaya, i-progression zokushaya. You won't tell ukuthi ngidlala.
Wow, ayishuthi-ke isegazini lento.
Yeah, but angeke ngiya kuma-acoustic like i-show. Ngibeka Caspi fill up the dome and then umdlaleli piano angeke.
awufuna ukufika kwaleyo zinga
Mina ngifuna ngincane music business.
oh the business side
Yeah, bese ngihot man ngifuna ukuba la. Angifuni ukuhlala lapha.
yazi uma ukhuluma nge-hotman ucabanga ngekasi rap le kasi rap igcwele ama-hotman nabantu madala sesiyaphushana nabo manje and hey ndoda sebayazidisturba manje enye era phela manje
Bayandisturb.
ayiziphushana nabo why bajoyina ipiano mara bangachubekisa ngekasi rap ucabanga ngareleke
Finance. Yazi ikasi rap culture jo ehot.
ehro
Sonke ngaba sikho la. Especially esikhuluma ngeSoweto.
mfethu
It's like yo it's a huge era.
mfethu kasi rap
Yeah, those ama-roots ethu la. You know sikhuluma kwaito kasi rap. Kasi rap isezingeni lekwaito jo. It just didn't go commercial.
Yeah.
Simple. Bengana value. But it was so good.
Yeah, imnandi
But the value was not there.
Kuma-7 yabo siyashezi.
Sikhula sirap, asidlala disc. Into umrapper, umfana beke umrapper.
yeah
You know, bese even the clothing jo bengeke yeah about track fit. Kasi besingasigqoka izinto ezinkulu. It wasn't for kasi rap. Besheya hip hop play state. Yabo but kasi rap abo MT bazokutshela nabo balapho bakhona. It's those guys.
yeah bo Big Zulu
People can rap because of kasi rap.
Vect
Utaku rap ngoba kasi rap. So it's huge. No value though. Emaqiniso.
ne
Yeah, no value. Ayikho ingam leyithathile aba commercial.
yeah
Because even amajita now didn't brand themselves to investors. So
yeah because as uringe var because le ntwana lezi ezincane zama-2000 zidlala ikasi rap kwamanje
Eish.
mara it's rare uthola i-event ekasi rap uthola umuntu wekasi rap sekafuna ukujoyina
ayina
ipiano
value, ayina value. Ipiano line value jo. Yeah, kunamamiliyoni ingadi. See how many black kids mfethu amajita fana now who are millionaires or
Okay.
sisters
okay but
sisters
Yeah.
who are millionaires.
5 so bafethu don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comment down below with Soweto Sikhethu bafethu and make sure you pull up bafethu food bar the #1 place where they sell proper food bafethu so Wiz Manizi
Dango.
isn't just somebody breezy
Dango.
njengoba sakhuluma yabo ngekasi rap sajumpela upiano yeah usasihlapulela kancane
Yeah, so bengisho ukuthi the only difference i-value. So amajita when they jump to piano, it's not because baluzi kasi rap. Ayina value. Piano has a lot of value. Yabo. Angaka ama-millionaire, brothers and sisters. Black kids who came from poverty. Really changing the piano. Yabo. And still gonna make a lot of millionaires. yabo.
Yeah.
Uyajumpa whether ukazi ucule piano whether uyakase rap. A lot of people put artist hip hop both. Basuka hip hop. Yabo beza piano. Financial right. So in market no piano. So I'm in a jump in fact.
Yeah.
Bosiya shares lava. Abashaya. Lithi piano manje tricky because lifuna controversy nyana. The lyrics unless you like abantu abafana bobabala bo who can speak izinto serious but commercial piano ukhuluma nonsense.
So ungitshela ukuthi laba trendayo ba
Yeah, phela wonke ama-title engoma is big piano when there are no vocalists. Mboleke uyaphapha uqala abantu. You know, I can go the whole day. Who's on my title long? It's controversy.
But okay, how do you go as a producer when what your take on Scott? I get just talk.
Take a judge.
What your take on Scott?
Music. What?
Music. Lyrical.
Uyenza le thing ngisho. Which works?
Oh,
Yeah, like ama-lyrics ka-Scott. Akacabanga ngokudlula impukane.
impukane iyandlula. Iyangibela man.
Anything mfethu akudingi ukuthi ahlale phansi abhale nani nani yabo. Adesha ajive khalipiti
Sathi
kwanzile
bathini
impukane.
bona?
Kuzathini?
Yeah.
Asazi.
Yeah, yabona.
Ufuna kube ngathi la bese simpukane yadlula.
So imillionaire kanjani?
Ngothi impukane man.
Simple.
Iyandlula man.
Simple.
Phezu kwebeat man. Sama chips man.
Hayi nawe.
Bookie South Africa manje. Bukayo kwaphela.
Manje yakhala uScott nimbonile ukuthi le ndaba ukuthi bafuna ukuthatha naye ithombe abantu bathi ne attitude bathi rude.
Yeah, mina
manje yabo eSoweto uJesu ngekabuyi.
Lana.
yeah, so
Yeah. What do you take?
mina nengisibana nama-artist kakhulu. So ama-artist ifame no access esikhathi sefame. Ifame beyimnandi ngabo-Rihanna nabo-Beyonce.
Nabo Weezy.
Nabo-Weezy. That was fame.
AKA Kes.
That was fame. Ngiyahalela ukuba famous. Hayi manje. Manje bone-fame. You're puppet because 99 because now it's no longer your label against the side. The fans. In the Twitter, no. This cancel culture means your fans are your man and they are aware now.
They know.
You know, so it's not like back in the day.
Yeah.
So they control ifame yakho. If bangathi cancel, it means awubook, meaning awunaman. That's a problem.
Yeah.
So, my friends ukuthi athini at the end of the day. If it means ukuthi kumele ugqoke imask 10 hours esitrateni bakuyenzela imali ama-fans akho bahage bashutha na ukuthi uphethe into zakho angeke because you famous. Ngiyakuchange lokho. Go back to being not famous underground and then you want to have attention. Bekecabangani.
Yeah, but
Bathi,
nakazi. Industry works.
Like I celebrate with my song is 1 million. That's 1 million people who bought your song. If they want to hug you, look Caesar.
By 1 million? Oh.
It's simple, industry. If unenkinga, then tell them to stop supporting you. God.
Back unfollow.
Yeah, because you can't say honest cut some friends out.
Yeah.
Look Caesar ube naso.
And maba unfollow uzoba yini?
Yeah, bavuka baya emisebenzini ekugcineni. Le mali bebehola bayisa kuwo. Bu-million babo, and then you have 1 million in your bank account. So, kuzokusiza.
Eish.
Akuzokusiza.
Yeah.
Yeah. So naive. It's
Yeah.
naive. A lot of artists are naive. Uqiniso and they famous laba lenta yabathu. And kumele ubalance. It's the business move. You can't be usanele ebantwini.
Yeah.
No, be your brand.
In the situation le. Ngakhumbula uKilla Gaw asaqeda ukuduma wa-unfollowa bonke abantu.
Hey we.
Ngakhumbula leso story.
Yeah.
Bangasahlanya abantu they were like, hawu.
Follow each other
Ingoma
like
nyani
that.
one.
Yeah, nami ngizona unfollow nonke.
Oh, nawe kunjani?
Why?
Yeah, it's branding.
Hayi asiqoqeni ama-mic sambeni.
Kanti wena ufunani la ke
Sengasitsheli.
unfollow?
It's branding. It doesn't mean no, it's the business side of things.
Okay, sihlazise ngayo.
And then ngizoqala follow
so-
abantu abangincedile.
Sorry bafethu kumngena emlomeni bafethu. Never mind i-background siselokishini ngiyazi.
ngibona.
Amazenkenyana siyancenga yabo. So ningamind
Hayi
noise.
kunesilinga.
Yeah, mari selokishini silingi nezenke siyahlanganisa.
Yeah.
Bestos nezenke. Shayiruka.
bazixolela.
Bazixolela.
Yeah.
So ilezo zinto lezo like branding, if you go to any famous people, Cristiano, actually follow mfana, you know, brands, people who put value in this
Yeah.
brand. So nami ngizoqala unfollow umuntu engimaziyo, follow, I understand, follow Kalani, follow Ikotenji, follow the people who bring value. Not just people I know, my friend,
Right.
no man I've slept with. No. Mele, we brand, go professional. So bokumela unfollow it.
Aqalele phansi.
Qalele phansi. And then hayi ukuthi uzofollow umuntu ewana shona.
Yena unfollow kwasane. Zwab
Qalela
zero.
phansi angithi.
Ye-rebranding.
Maybe khona i-sponsor sitholile.
Bathi unfollow.
Cele lokho. Kumele yenze.
Melenze
Kumele acabanga umngane wakhe ukuthi unfollow it. But sahlala shape yourself. It's fine.
Yeah.
It's not deep. It's
Yeah.
business. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, ayezwakala.
Ayokfollow abafethu hayi unfollowile machita wami. Wangena isponsor unfollow.
Zokuthi, yeah.
Ayazani. Asazani.
Kanjani malala. Ngithi expandini sisafollowana estradeni mos.
Yeah, estradeni.
Ayizuyasho ukuthi ngene sponsor.
Kanjani deep phela because say personal.
Yeah, if sisafollowana estradeni.
Unfollow me on the net but ungibulise estradeni.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Eh mina ngikwazi.
Ulo sithi kushintshile phela.
Yeah.
Yibo la sithi bashintshile.
Wena khona baziye bashintshwe ifame.
Ababhaya phela.
Mawucabanga wena izokushintsha ifame.
Yeah, izongishintsha.
Sorry.
Izoshintsha isekele yami, izoshintsha into eziningi.
Yo
Uzwile
unfollow
mkhutha
abani.
amazaza lapha.
Yo unfollow abani kani.
Icheck.
Hawu uba namazaza. Bana nami ngifaka amazaza. The future is too
Futhi nje
bright.
umkhaphile namhlanje.
Nalela kizaza. Awuthi izaza la. Intariana sala alone I1.
Avi.
Yeah.
Yeah, sebengibonile.
Like lalela, the future is too bright, guys. Like,
So,
hello.
Uzoshintsha
ngithole enye
amasekele
le-right la.
mele ashintshe.
Intariana lithi izaza mfethu.
Aish. Ngiyanqopha kuyahlupha uba istar.
Lithi izaza.
Ngisifaka.
Hayi asimiyeke lo sesi too much. Abantu abaserious ngempilo. Hayi kodwa
Amaloya. Ngiyathithana nibonani. Yeah,
Alright,
good.
so-
Alright.
Ekugcineni professional as a brand.
Yeah.
To move from this brand to a bigger brand. Now mele ube professional.
Yeah.
The second azohlala kuwo. If uzosuka le uyoshaya ibhiye ekhoneni. E-ofisini leli le-Nike uyoshaya ibhiye ekhoneni. Naku ndawo, it's simple. Change isekele yakho and see how from that spot you get more things. But hayi kabi ngamajiteti asekhoneni ne. But angeke ayiphinde ibrand yakho nga anything.
True.
Otherwise ngabe nabo basamuntu.
Yeah.
I-contact lakho imali yakho. It means abanawo lama contact azokusiza. If you are able to get another contact, why uzibuyisela? Hlala kulama sekela kulela office, find a friend there. Noma ngasumngane. Be a white man na uzihlekise nyana. Find more information so that you can get more out of what you got. But if uzothatha lo ukubuyisela lenzani, uzokudrain, uzokudla kuze kuphela. You want to add. And angeke get there, nakuzoyada the next person. Ekugcineni. Change isekele yakho. Mina ngizoyi-change hayi kabi.
Aish.
Yeah, kumele utshe.
Kuzosala labantu engize nabo.
Sazi.
Laba engihamba nabo. Uyabo?
Yeah, sazi vele you never know.
Uyabo? So-
Why kuzosala bona?
Uzobathi uyamkhumbuza ukuthi yazi
No,
vele
labantu
lapha.
laba mfethu. Labantu bayangakha, they add value.
Yeah.
Kanjani?
They add value. They help me financially. They help me in well-being. They help me mentally. yabo even spiritually they good for me ngiyabathanda
Yeah, that's
so
nice.
abantu abanjalo bazokusiza naphambili because they add something bengithi ekhoneni I mean strangers who without corner you don't share any values susikhona and see values ukuthi how do they value you, how do they help you, nothing bengisho khona
Ngisho kanjalo. So wena uba nobabonile wena experience le vele ba change bebaze studio sakho ubona ukuthi mntwana sekanje
kula name drop
siyaxoxa mos.
angeke
Yeah,
but bakhona but I won't do that
ayekho eyi-1 nje mhlawumbe ongathi.
no because mina
Ngisho nje igama
ngishaya
lokho, hhayi, angeke
production
basigese sibonge.
ngishaya production noma umuntu angaba ne angaduma
Yeah.
abenzansi oh uyangi-understand
Mhm.
sisaspana so if ngizokhipha igama lakhe uzongi-approach unfortunately and ibulala music
Mara ayikho into embi ozobe uyishilo mos.
yeah but ama-platform asone ama-artist awathandi
Yeah, ring evare.
sikhulumeni qinile
Yeah,
yabo i-artist anti lezi igama la ku-podcast uzohamba yomamela ukuthi kuthiwani thina sim-offendi we having a conversation
yeah.
siya-understanda because nami ngila ku-podcast naniyona i-podcast so
Yeah.
niya-understand ukuthi it's an open communication platform so funda nangezinto esingekho comfortable
Yeah.
but bona you touch those things ezingekho comfortable open so sasebenza
Uyabona ntwana untariana le. Ntwana le ntwana zokumoshela ama relationship ntwana. Nayi ntwana. Too short sashayise tap. Azangeza. Samela kwaze kwabuya uJesu. Nakakabuya
khona
uJesu.
umtshelile ukuthi kumoshela i-career like they feel uncomfortable ngamali hence ithi hayi ngisho amagama but babukele baqaba
Yeah. Mara mina ngifila ngathi ama platform akanje zi-artist imeluyo la bathepha khona la ungekho uncomfortable la ungekho uncomfortable kula comfortable khona
uyakhula uyakhula because izinto ezi-uncomfortable elifini izinto okumele uzilungise it's your flaws
Yeah.
we're not perfect
yeah
but lungisa zona uzoba right
Nasiwonke umuntu naleyo mentality akithi manje inkinga. Abanye abantu bayekela ama-fears wabo abo-overcome and then isale ihlala kanjalo forever uyasaba forever and ever amen. Akanaso isibindi sokuthi azini awuthi ngibhekana nalento once and for all.
uyabona lona ezinye izinto kumele uzilanda vele head on
Mara, do you see growth in that? Like if usaba challenge something
Yeah, I mean I see growth because if ike yaba ifear yakho and then wayidlula and then kusasa yini uzesaba. So kumele kancane ama-fears akho 1 manje ukhansela ku-list and then kusasa unstoppable.
Yeah, I was
So
on
nothing
Cotton
to
Chill.
fear. Yeah,
abantu banamanga bethi
asinabungozi.
what's your worst fear maningi ama-fear
Maningi.
umuntu azokubuza ukuthi what's your worst fear no yonke into worst fear ungafika inkathi thusa yabo ngikhiphela isiphamu yonke into worst fear even ne-podcast artist i-fear bangayekthi ngathi hayi asifuni ukuya lapha they suffering abekade suffer njengama-artist nama-producer angcono because ama-producer open and the money they get you see something etafuleni it's not like bayiblow
So wena masikhlalisa la sofeni sondeza imic nje yabo bofila kanjani nje bekuthini la phakathi ku
me have owned the podcast before production aphelele so it's a media movement
yeah wena
namajit yeah so
so vele wathi
ngikhuthaza abantu abadlalayo da ungasabi phuza amanzi ya ungasabi khe ungayibheki kakhulu khuluma
faka
khohlwa
ama-shades.
yeah so I've been kwi-media
ne mfethu touch base on a very important topic sayijumpa kancane leyo kusafara kwama-artist and manje abafuna ukuziveza into enza ukuthi bagcina basobathola sebasesekeleni ama-drugs basemasekeleni wrong abanye bacommit ama-suicide
Yeah.
asibonile okuningi mfethu industry ama-artist awana platform yokukhuluma and i-podcast yiyo angi-understand so even close people abekho uzothi yazi kuyenzakalani yabo kusoso laphaya kunje ngiyenzeni abekho Yabo. So i-platform so kahlahle yabo.
Eish.
But ekugcineni bayisaba cause izobaveza ukuthi abantu abanje. But if unenkinga it's fine, you know. If ufika la ngamaphaqaphaqa kanadeki, it's okay.
It's okay. If normally Uber is right.
It's fine. You understand? So ekugcineni abaceli yabo. Abaceli. So ayangazi mfethu. Mina nginabantu kusekele yami. My woman is paying for my transport right now. I understand.
Shout out.
Ngiyamtshela yikho.
Ayikho.
So mathi tu shasha endlini, shasha. To a point ukuthi shasha neindustry. Nemanje
Yo.
Uzoba nenkinga.
Uzoza kanjani ku podcast khona? The very same people endlini abashasha. Mela bakhuluma lapha. Kubeka mama.
Yo.
So you see why they run away.
Yeah.
Yabo. So it's good bamamele. Yabo noma singaba name drop bamamele. Bayizwa lento.
And yazi what's funny ne? Into ewane funny ukuthi mangise space sama artist. Akubi na artist elingitshela ngomusic wakhe. Ungitshela ukuthi unani. Like wonke umuntu ethi ya ntwana mina ngibhaye idlaka. Like doka ngokubuzana.
And akakuthenganga ke.
Laba bamanga bayathanda ukukhuluma into esingabuzanga sona.
Phela ingoma ya pusha. Yangena inyuku jo. Ama-booking angena. 2 years later. Asikho leso steam se-finance. Asikho. Uyabo? Asikho. If indla kaqeda ukuyibhadala. Yes boy, owner 2 years back. But now sayi-own ndizohamba. That's why about depression nani bad. But if vele yes uyithengile, you know you're renting, who help you. Nakini bazokuncedisa bongasakwazi ukuqedelela. Ukuthi iphele ibe indla sejana.
Yeah.
Uyabo? But yes, you have your house apartment keys nani you bought it, yes. But ekugcineni ukuthenga la life in college.
Sharp.
Okay. Siyazi asikho do.
Yeah.
You know, but just be open about it. To a point to fake with cash, it's not cash.
Eish.
Ekugcineni bayarepossessa. Simangimang died akanandla.
Hey.
Sana next. Sekakolekela.
Shiye nama-hits yabo. Business side. Asibe no-pen once.
Yeah.
And ama-platform agrand la. Angazi ama-artist azoza nina.
Eish, mfethu yazi inkinga la engifisa enye yini. Akusama artist, ama manager.
Obvious, phela ama-artist elibig alifikanga lapho elifika khona lodwa. Yabo. So maybe what do you think? Bangaqamba manga bathi believe in yourself nah. You know, there are gatekeepers, people who can take you but ways ngizokuhlalisa no Youngster, no Drake namhlanje. Shy number, you know. Ayithathe le number yoplaga. Idume, you know. Angithathe angibhukise. Now I have a manager, true. So if they think they did it themselves and they keep on spreading that thing on my platform so, you know, and not speak the real truth or it's business in that. They're killing a culture because believe in yourself, what that nah.
Yeah.
Ayikho.
So when motivator yini ke ukuthi ungafani nabanye abantu ku-industry.
Yeah, me I want to be a gatekeeper.
You want to be a gatekeeper?
Ekugcineni wonke umuntu gatekeeper mfethu. You know.
I explain time le gatekeeper mina maybe abafana.
Kune CEO, kune manager, kune employee. CEO is a gatekeeper of a lot of things to keep that position, right? Uzohola njenge CEO you manage.
Never.
That's gatekeeping. That's my point. You know, it's gatekeeping emaleni undlule yakho. Life is like that. Hera, kangithi. So now industry kunjalo. If mina mamela, if mina ngizomanage artist. If ngizomanage artist, me. Yabo, let's say senginama resources from TV to everywhere. And I manage artists from zero to nothing and make a hit song. Am I equal financial nalelo artist? Because I spent 2 million to push it, right?
Yeah.
bengena imali siyikhwadi.
Never.
Kumele
I have to
ngirecoup.
gatekeep it. Yes. It's simple.
Oh, so when abantu abazospana now in the future, they must understand ukuthi uzoba gatekeeper.
Not me. Life is like that.
Wasu.
Sayachange.
Don't
Nah,
hate the
kuzomsiza.
player, hate
Mamela.
the game.
Mamela.
Understand.
Mamela.
Yeah,
Ubheka ama-record label epiano. Uthi aqale eva. Uyabo? Uwabheke uthi aqale eva. They all learn from each other. Dolo gatekeep. So now let me go do this. You gatekeep. How many artists have artists good piano? It's the only industry
Hey.
where an artist owns so many artists. Nah, they get only blow up. Nalo.
Totally blow up.
You can understand?
Yeah.
Low puma kule stable less push over operator, but namhlanje unama artist.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
It's crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy in fact. It's crazy.
Ne.
Yeah, that's
So-
gatekeeping.
Yeah, mkhosi.
If pengazi.
So ukuthi khona nje vele nje abakhohlakele nje vele badaliwe.
Bathi sonke.
Yeah.
I'm a gatekeeper
bayatshaywa
of
nje.
fun. Gatekeeping is
Bayatshaywa.
not wrong. I understand.
Yeah, there's right gatekeeping as well.
Gatekeeping is not wrong.
As
Yila
long
nto
as
engi-explain
imali
ukuthi
iyafulwa, it is wrong.
it's factual gatekeeping. It's there. It's live.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But kunabantu abasile ekugcineni, yabo, where if a song is a hit song, awutholi na next.
Yo.
Yeah, that's wrong gatekeeping. Those are the wrong gatekeepers. Laba bakhawatha ama-artist ke. Yabo? 50 million, 100 million ingenile artist still na 2 million. Abreke ngaleyo moto leyo.
Cabanga.
Little do you know with your song,
Ufake
you
imali.
should be lifetime rich. That's wrong gatekeeping. That's the wrong va.
Va.
Because the artist angeke likwazi nalo kuba gatekeeper. Yabo, but if you are gatekeeper, you push your artist to a point of it, nalo libe gatekeeper. That's good. So if ubona artist liphume ku-jazz, and then lelo artist namhlanje linama artist, then Jazzy Q is a good gatekeeper. But if ubona is stable, listen, artist or a label own, where one artists are still there and a gecko or a gatekeeper, then you know it's law or wrong.
So what do you think about the Simnandi record since you kill Mama gatekeeper? Because I want to generate a lot of network kupiano babuya lapha isimnandi and it's too late much.
What do I think is Simnandi?
Simnandi record.
How do I even push on top of
Like in Pel to
I'm not
catch.
flop now. Yeah, like maybe financially isn't anxiety, but I can speak on the pointer culture.
In culture, yeah, in the culture.
Yeah, he gave us talented buyer. He had his nigga so good. Ahlale nalabantu mfethu. Yabo. Baspane, aba-channel endaweni right, ababonisa indlela. A lot. Jive, I'm sure keep 100 of famous artists today. Uyabo. So yeah, mina ngicela ngesimnandi. Ngicela ukuthi financial ama-artist akhona ngazi bokenzakalani. So no, isimnandi is not what it was supposed to be. Kumele babe ihoti isimnandi. So they all left. You know, we don't know why, but they all left. But stable as a crowd. Because we have a push ama-artist.
Yeah.
Yeah. He gigs every week to play your song. So that more than 150,000 people know your song. Can't take that person for granted. Because kunzima ukuyenza ingoma, no. Bengathi ngestudio ngishaya ingoma. Ngiyoyipromote, it's hard. But if you can do that, nje lula. Be grateful of that person.
Yeah.
Yeah, ukushiya studio ayogiga nationwide. So many people know your song. Ihustle yakhe futhi le angeke uzicompare. If uzothenga iPorsche angeke uzicompare. Because he makes I'm sure over 100k ngama-gig akhe a week. So you afford. So ama-artist inkinga ama-artist ufika kwi-label ufuna ukufana no Big Qa ngeke. Already unama source of income. Noma ungaba na hit song anilingani. yabo anilingani because ama-streams awanamali.
Bawaphosta kanje mfethu ama-streams abantu.
It's popularity. In fact, so Spotify starts a chunk of money. Label starts money. Streams don't have money. Per stream, I'll toll R1. I'll toll 1 cent. 1 cent. 1 cent it's next. Mara, one stream is not even 1 cent.
Stream
It's not even half of 1 cent.
imali ne-stream isiwani.
It's 0.003%.
Yo, so labantu laba
Sinayishelele. So if now 1 million streams, I'm sure you'll have less than 100K. Flat. Ngoma yakho ku YouTube beko 1 million broke.
uyabazi.
Broke. So let's have abafuna ukuzenza ama label owners and managers ama artists and say angirobhile usibani. Akakurobhanga. The interviews we went to, ipetrol, ukudla, equipment, indawo yokulala, bengakubalela ukuthi ungidle malini. Ungidle more than lama 2 million streams owatholile. Awabhadali nanakubhadala imali ngiphendele. Uchayvane beyenza short bayadla every day. Sine studio, we own a label. Artists eat, bayabhema, ipipe, they drink sometimes, kube mnandi.
So are you implying ukuthi ba-affecteka more than ama-artist?
Yes, if they are investors, it's the business. If you spend 200,000, famous ingoma yakho 2 million asitholi nama-gig.
Eish.
Ungidlile Joe yangikolota futhi, kahle seyangikolota.
And then mayingena usazoyichawa.
Ngiphathwa inhliziyo ebuhlungu wesa. Kungcono ube singakabi nengoma ephezulu. But if sinengoma ephezulu, go to YouTube, so many songs have streams. Bokunenye ingoma 1.3 million streams besiyimamela izona. We like asiyazi le ngoma lena because ayina value. But ina more streams by supporting. If you get 1 million buys here who Apple, then you reach because ingoma ewana 24 rand. So if 1 million people buy my song, as lele, it's like back then physical copy.
Yeah.
At Spotify, YouTube, anginandaba. Ingoma yakho noma ingafika ku 5 million uthi let's work better. That's not money, chief. Who are you on the streets? Petty booking agents into him. Uzosifaka mix, suke mix zone 6, and basirhafe yabona. Yeah, leyo muntu unemali. Ubheka ama artist abo EQ. Yeah, he's financially stable.
Hey, EQ, yeah.
Youngster, financially stable. You know, but abantu abolime crazy. Kuphela ama bookings. That's why we change.
Eish, dona yami.
Yeah. So, more relevant gaming is because of Ibo. The streams are a lie. Akunamali. Abantu abanemali is the company Spotify. That company is money. That music website, nemali.
So basically ayikabi disclaimer khona lapho. Basically singaba bracketa under abantu aba eating from the broke. Angifuni kwabeka as scammers because hey ngasikhathi kwesinye kwenye level.
But artists AUK, they took them to court. They failed. Because if I decide to go, ngishaya team. If you not decide against the platform, no, let's just show it. Low music. Kusasa kulelo platform kuphume enye intwana ena 1 billion streams. 1 billion ku website yami. Bese ufuni 1 billion. I gave him 1 billion people. Me, wangabhadali mina, angazi noma ngi-understand.
No,
Understand?
indaba yemali kuyi. Ukuthi into yemali.
No, business.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, iyazwakala.
Ngikhodile, ngakuphi platform, yabo, ngakuphi reach. Now 1 billion people know your song. And then uthi ngiyakukolota.
Kanja.
That's why they lost the case of Spotify.
Mara wayevela abantu be-IT bafana. Why ningayenzi vele lento okhuluma ngayo?
It's not easy. The people decide ekugcineni ukuthi bokunabo web trick abo what
Yo,
yonke into ntareya ni competition ekugcineni leyo. I am competing on Spotify man. If I can make a music website, I need to take bonke labantu abakwa Spotify, billions of people in the world. Ngibalethe kule website amejabulani. Realistically I want to
Especially
be
no
sad.
Jabulani Stay.
yeah, it's been realist. Yeah, it's been
Especially
real,
not
Bafethu.
Jabulani
Yabo.
Stay.
So you see the trick. I can make it, but how will I get those people?
Eish.
My biggest competitor is Spotify and YouTube.
Yeah.
How will I tell my kid not to stream YouTube and go to Lea Mesokola?
Yasejabulani.
Emjaka
Because uThorilet uzamile la nge-Universal ukuthi bangasa stream music wakhe Universal. Balande ku website yakhe straight.
Slicker on live.
Hey,
Nah,
wait
go.
up.
Fail.
Hey.
Big fail. Yabo.
Yeah.
So when you go podcast where uMacG seke ku dish multi choice.
Eish.
You see ukuthi the business oya kuyo irrelevant now because tomorrow there will be 13 podcasts or even 100 and something
Yeah.
a team.
Mm.
You understand? Meaning the chances of it the podcast yakhe are high. But if sokunama podcast up higher, sasa so ufuna uqala podcast yeah.
Kusana chance.
Yeah, you know, because kumele uqale la ku
Siqala
YouTube
khona.
before ayoqala team.
Yeah. Yeah. So, Doga, tell me with so much knowledge, oyiphethe ngaka. When into like culture, like because I saw you work with the likes of Ritabile, RSA,
Yeah.
did ama advert. Yabo. What more do we add in the culture?
The culture, mina namajita, one of the guys engizena.
Zaza.
Yeah. So empowerment, youth empowerment, the arts and culture, basically governance, you know. So it's like politics, arts and culture, not the industry, the lifestyle. You got to you know. Kuna corporate, kuna le government, arts and culture. That's fun. So Tina, we do empower youth. Yeah, well, we do we did at first we did events. Yeah, well, little did we know what it says we empowerment. We did events which fall with classification in arts and culture with department with events are empowerment. Elokishini. If you see events elokishini, hayi le ama-club la bozidisofeng ilele elinye side ekutshela ngayo. If you see events like corporate, you know, where festivals, yeah, the government is involved for sure. There's funding for those things, you know, big stages and stuff. So little did we know, and then the more we tap in, the most fun that the people we did the Soweto Media Movement, where now we understand the arts and culture sector governance. So you can help people like Abe arts, whether it's music, with the help of government organizations. They exist to help people there. So information you know, there's so many workshops. Still, manje kuna workshop ama-artist, kuna ma-event, but ama-artist afuna wona uke-mink. Yeah, like i-success yakhe like uyibonile. But lezi zinto ze-government abazicave and there's ne-funding ebhayo. Whereas i-mink ayina-funding ama-artist. You know, i-funding uyithola nge-booking agent. Ingoma yakho beyipopular. Then you get bookings. But this side, iyaphuma imali every year, every month, to help artists elokishini. Because we write proposals for artists in need, for our podcast, which is to get more equipment, you know, as we write proposals, we send them there, they give you money in return, but black people don't know, especially the youth.
Yeah, sure.
So as the Soweto Media Movement, we did a podcast. On the go. So wherever we go, we call the podcast it. It's like a mobile podcast, mobilizing a podcast. We go all these organizational events as an empowerment. we shoot the podcast, we put relevant people, our government, the people who own, I'm a lawyer, that industry, silhlalisa phansi, and they gave out information. Then we publish it njengawo ku-YouTube. We did that, but not only that, we did our music camps where we take artists abangana-studio, abangana-produce, to have a chance to make songs, and then we shot a documentary. We had a film crew, Born Beautiful. They shoot whatever enzakalayo. Yeah, so spread the information. We did dance challenges, where bahlangana bayajava. We did a lot just to uplift abantu abanganama resource new. We get resources, we get funding, we push now. Today there's somewhere, but push BTM were there doing marketing.
Hey.
Yeah, but no makuku. There are a lot of people, But in King and I understand. So I understand You try to empower them, but abaz because since the governance, hence if funding iyaphuma inceda abantu abayi-7. So no, we want to do indaba zama-PR, indaba zama-marketing more, elokishini, indaba ze-media more, namajita ukuthi si-amplify right nge-media, even the knowledge, because ngathi si-slow nyana compared to abo-USA, they far. I-media la ipaparazzi umuntu.
Yeah.
Bophuma i-celebrity kunabantu abayi-10, 13 abakushuthayo. Labo bantu I'm sure banama-channel bothi wahlanganisa they can accumulate 100 million subscribers. Boyi-13, they have big channels. But uyi-company phone.
Yeah.
So labo bantu when they take that content kaGhana or Young Thug, by his social media, you see ukuthi labantu aba-relevant ukudlula bethu. It's media.
Yeah.
Yabo. So thina limacrazy bayangandlula la. Sifuna amahaka kuphela, maybe laba abayi-10. That's it.
Eish.
Uyashoot efonini yakhe WhatsApp status.
Yeah.
See ukuthi why we're going to a media namanje.
Yeah.
The governance way of it.
Yeah.
To change the culture as a whole. Once we have that mass media like South Africa, I see Hollywood,
Wait.
yeah,
Yeah.
more money, more, yeah.
Man,
Channel yakho imillionaire.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
Kai Central, yeah.
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 Man, I understand because
It's a huge economic gain.
yeah, wait.
Ngashintsha umnotho, ukuvela music, ukuvela abo Paul yini le Paul ka Kendrick.
Bowl, Super Bowl.
Super Bowl, biggest arena, biggest media arena there. Kuzabantu abaserious kuphela elifini. I'm sure kuzabantu abacontroller yonke ikhodobe yokuhlala kahle. You go there, VIP yalo. So you perform there, you're relevant. Noma singakwazi.
Lime crazy perform there.
Super Bowl, Lime crazy.
There's a stadium, ngisho.
Super Bowl.
Oh, Super Bowl. Yo, Lime crazy.
Yeah.
Ngiyamthanda, lim crazy.
Phela Chris Brown ngicabanga yona le ngasikhathala.
Yeah, Super Bowl. It's too much.
I hope uyabona.
Umntwana yami usebenzile.
Bancane Ntariyana.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
how do we link up abantu abafuna le connection onayo? Ne knowledge onayo. Bafuna ukuba kolama platform la wakhuluma nawo siba link up nani?
We also have my platform, social media. So it's a media movement, Buto worldwide. Music publishing, music distribution, Sentwembo, you understand? Media, Sentwembo, nan. It's just that as not funding. Knowledge without funding, a problem. But funding without knowledge is still a problem. So that's not only funding, maybe 1M. Yeah, then ungabona izinto zingatshintsha.
Man, how can you get that 1M? Do you have plans of getting that 1M?
Yeah, the governance way, mfethu. Khuphula connect lakho there. No
Yeah.
people, no the ministers, no the landezela le politics, le arts and culture until you get someone who's gonna be like, no, I'll provide the funding.
Yeah.
Because thina sisebancane asikho la. Mele sibamele bashone bonke. Nathi sibe badala nabantwana bayi-7 yabo. And then uzoba neyikhundla ezinye.
Yeah, and ama-organization
So for now, mele
ukubhala nama-proposals yabo, there's a lot of
asikwazi.
paperwork. So umuntu uma bengakwazi ukuthi kufuneka maphi ama-documents kanjani, i-problem ugcina give up.
And awadlali ama-documents la.
Hayi,
If
awadlali.
ucabanga ukuzoregister i-company ufuna funding.
Unani?
Oh,
Kufunakalani kanjani?
Yabo. So mele uhlezile la. You need to help people. And mele yenze sense ndoba. Akusile English le phasela methu.
Yeah, phela kunane-budget lapha yamele usho ukuthi uyifunelani le 1M. Break
Allocate.
it down.
You know, so these departments are fucked up. Young into fucked up empilweni, but at the end of the day, some people do receive funding. Especially now, but they get funding. So if they're able to get it, there's something right about it.
Yeah. So when since usho ukuthi you've been trying to send them proposals and stuff for abantu abangazi but abafunayo ukuthola funding. So ungabatshela mhlawumbe ukuthi badinga inani and then the process yakhona, how do they go on about it?
So you need your documents in order.
What kind of documents?
Certificates, business certificate, zonke lezo zinto, you know. Yonke compliance documentation nje business yakho must be there. Up to date. And it's not easy to keep compliance a company up to date. Especially if a company eqalayo. It's not easy. So you need to keep that up to date. And then you need someone who's a proposal, who's knowledgeable ukuthi arts and culture governance yini. Awufike lapho uthi ngicela imali ngifuna ukuyenza so. No, you need to tackle izinto ezibhaye lokishini, poverty.
Yeah, the challenges ase-community.
Yeah, zonke lezo zinto. And then mele program yakho yenze sense. You need to have a program iyenzakale on that proposal before iyenze.
Yeah.
It needs to make sense ukuthi how does the of return of investment, how do it sustain that? But if ufuna ukushaya podcast mele ucabe ukuthi in 3 years the return of investment talent, the impact. So lento le mele iyenzeke ingakayenzeki on paper.
Yeah.
That's a proposal, yeah.
Oh, so basically lento isenza thina la proposal.
Yes.
Not really, but something.
Yeah, so
No, sekasha lento engisho.
Yeah, ukuthi
zenzakala so
Yeah.
the equipment, so shutha ngani, sidingani.
Yeah,
The
proposal.
equipment yenzani.
Yeah.
Benefits kanjani community?
Yeah, isimo sakho ku community sinjani, labantu abashutha bobani, ubanceda ngani.
Yeah.
Kanjani. And then to community impact yini. Uyabo? South Africa socially izosinceda ngani,
Yeah.
economically izosinceda ngani.
And esikhathini esiningi abantu they get it confused. Yabona masaqala i-organization or company whatever, might be an NPO,
Yeah.
yabo izinto ezinjalo. Esikhathini esiningi abakufundi operate more than 3 years. So
Yabona,
abantu
I
bayajaha,
understand.
like
That's what I'm
guys have
shizzy.
patience. Need research. Umuntu vele apply mhlambe kayi-2 or send ama proposal ayi-2 be like no, I give up. Kanti no guys, more than 2 years at least.
Profiling, you need profiling. They need to trust you ngemali yabantu. Athi imali yakho.
Hey.
If you're on a non-profit organization, yabantu.
Have tax clearance so that
Yes.
bazokuthemba.
So they need to see ukuthi okay, you've been given before 200,000 and this is what you
Wayenza.
did.
Yeah, wayenza.
When our guys next to bhala proposal down to slim. No, like bazokuthemba kanjani? Noma ungamnika umuntu 2 million angakaza
Angakaze athola ne-500k or athole
ayisebenzise.
200k wayichawa.
So kahle imali emalini.
Yeah, so non-profit organizations sebenzisani imali zenu. I understand.
Yeah.
And
kahle.
help. Shama programs aphele not documented. Have that profiling, that proof there online or wherever, and then present it along with your paperwork.
Yeah, and bayajaha uthole 500k nyana so yayichawa. And then
Yeah,
iyakubhayizisa lento leyo.
Usebenzephi? Uyabo? Where did you volunteer? kwi-governance way. Uyabo, there's so many organizations eswahambile thina sa-volunteer sashaya ama-podcasts sashaya media stage setup technical what we did a lot of those things behind the scenes for these organizations. Uyabo, I'm sure ubonile ne-profile yami kunamakhampani
newspaper.
yeah, so they can trust ke ukuthi lo muntu lo beke usebenzile 10 years angijahanga futhi mina.
Yeah.
Yabo angijahanga sijahile ekuqaleni sawafaka ama funding nana we learned the hard way, you know, but we came close thina because at least we were able to collaborate and partner with big cultural industry organizations.
Yeah.
Big. Yabo even the company ka Tamufu kade sisipanile.
Isipani company kata.
Sega. Elokshi. Silethe Elokshi. You know? So for the kids, you know, Sashaya isn't ezibhaya, you know. So we did even a learnership there. You know, the technicality behind the scenes. So we are going with our manager who own non-profit organizations while the background work with trusted organizations kwi-industry.
Yeah. Ne ay bafethu uwizi bafethu uyayibeka le ndaba lo muntu ongenza na dizi nekabuye ayitwizi sizoba yenza busy. So angitshele mkhozi ke currently sisipana phezulu kwani sibhekane yakho ke
Currently,
newspaper.
yeah, currently ngifuna ukupusha inamba ebhaya personal mina, but ngifuna ukuyipusha nabantu aba-relevant. So I partnered namajita elikamuva entertainment. There's a label nizoyibona nje TV soon. Already Friday besikutrace uMick noMalanga isingle yakhe they doing very very well. Yabo. So they coming with fire. We collaborated with prominent artists MT Umtutuzi, Just G, and then Mickey now certified. So it's a beautiful project. But it's a top of my single this year. So that's what we're pushing. My personal music. I was shooting all music videos. I have a TV.
Yeah.
So when I'm going against this snacks, it's just for the crime.
It's not kanja.
Washeshe wekazi.
Hey wena.
Pull seeds.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Utheni?
Pull seeds.
Oh, yeah.
Uthini manje?
Suka la. Bayaza bamamela abazweli.
So that's
Ay wena. Holy Spirit activate.
Hayi.
yeah, well, so now I see we snama model, snama model up and the pool. So I'm not how he's that's when it's at the shop. It's just for the crème, it's for the with MTV pace.
Manje mama zayivuma leyo. Should manje
Hasile.
nokuspenka lapha esiphulini.
Ngakubona. Mara ngisho ushilo ukuthi business.
Mara bethi cut is spank amala.
Phela ngizowenza mistake nami bomu khona uzophinda. Manje uphinda nje.
Yasho hayivumele ndini. Mara kumhlungu artist yazi.
Mara naye beke ngathola igig. Ngumtholela igig kwi-industry lithi
Bamspenk.
adulting akavela.
Yo. Ay.
Bathi 50 million.
Ay.
So xoxisa.
Uzomchazela, uzochaza uthini nje.
Ngitshela ukuthi angimind. Yabo kungabani. Angimind mina.
Shini abazali akunandaba.
Yo.
Abazali bazo-understand. Songena iy'nkomo eziyi-17 zilandela. Nanseng.
Mara abantu bethu sho bayatolerate and mara wizi mpethu kuyayibona zama out. Manje bayatolerate nje.
Tolerate.
Music video akagqoka ngomntana uyakubamba nawe uyambamba. After music video senzani?
Ayikho
Ayikho manje
yazi.
inkinga.
Ikhona, mamelana ikhona.
Oh yeah.
Ikhona.
Yeah.
Ikhona ne. But at the same time ayikho.
Wizi.
We understand ukuthi asifani ngama-gents. Mina azokutshela mathama azokutshela. Ngiyabaqhomela mina mathini.
Ayi.
Bonke.
Danko.
I understand.
Bengizohayisa manje akuthembi.
And I ngaqhomela ngakhona.
So,
Ngiyawaletha still.
Yeah?
Yeah, ngiyawaletha.
That's good man.
Yeah. I can bring girls, bro. Let's wang badelela. Ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi mase ngiphinda ngiyashela ilanga lawo. After music video ngiyalandelela. Because balethe yini ngibaphimpile. So to me sesijayelene ngaleyo ndlela. Hayi ukuthi after yo bheka le mntana ngomkhale. Hayi. Sengibajwayele. You understand. So izinto ezinjalo.
Ne.
Otherwise impethu ku-industry ngabe kudala sijola ngapha
Nizofa.
but if unocherako yabo ungazitholi laphaya it means vele awukho la khona ngabe kudala ngihlukana nomuntu wami
Uyasho.
ababhabo chera industry if vele bengidapha ngabe ngidapha ngaba ngibambeki.
Mara abantu benale mele ba-understand. Baningi amacheri ku-industry ukuthi sihlonipha bona.
Yeah, then kunamajita yabo uda so angeke umyeke so izoyenzakala lezo zinto
Yeah.
zokuthi after music video but ethu kulikamuva ngikhumbula nakayawana ama-vixen ayayewatela
Yeah. Hey naze nayichaza into nezinafakazelana. Vula
futhi umuntu bewumbhadalile ne umuntu bewumbhadalile
amafoni sibone.
no elifini sinama-trust issues
Iphi phone Darian? Iphi phone
Yeah,
naye
moment
yakho.
sinama-trust issues
Oh, so endlini kunama-trust issues.
uyazi ukuthi ngingaganga umuntu ohlala ekhoneni ukudlula umuntu oshuthi iphone ophatha camera
Yeah.
ngafebe i-art ehlele ekhoneni engayenzi next than umuntu oshuthi iphone day in day out uyacaba ukuthi life iyayenzeka isifebe ube lo osekhoneni makale athi le ishutha la ile maybe no chair
Ngiyamhlonipha.
impilo le art ehlele ekhoneni qho kulo mkhukhu wakhe kugena i-chair everyday
And yizo izidlela lezo. Ayi lezo azidlali. Thina sibhizi sima-podcast ubhizi.
usicala kathi iyavala nyani wena nje
Bayayazi.
uyabo
Yeah, ukungazihloniphi lokho futhi bafethu kumele silikhulume nje iqiniso. Uma umuntu kumele uzihloniphe. Hayi ukuthi nje wena noma yini evela uyajump. For ini.
Amajita mfethu angibone respect bayayazi hlakuzeni. Fakwa kuphela.
Yeah.
Babona i-USB bane-virus mayifakwa wonke ama-computer.
Isikorobo phela mama ufaka uncolile.
Awumtshele nge-industry.
lapha
Kuyafakwa.
kanyiwe nalo mthembile ukuthi
Uyafaka.
Naye futhi.
labo ongabathembanga labe nithi ifebe yibo laba bantu
Yebo yithi si-right.
labe ni
Awena bakaze basho kanjalo ngawo.
Mina bathi
labe nithi siyayazi athi yakhe nini
bathi
Bathi wena wenzeni?
ambisona.
mara ayikho i-environment enotshwala e-right ayikho
Ngesuka ngapfunda. Ngidlale ngitshela ama-guest.
ayikho i-environment enotshwala e-right
Yeah, akisi abantu bafuna excuse yokumisbehave. Yabo. So umuntu vele uyiplanile into yakhe ukuthi abona namhlanje vele ngiyohliphika lena. Kuzokusathi uzothutshwa.
ngitshela ukuthi ungaba serious so sibeke ihenesi sibeke isiphi
Yo.
sikubheka after 2 hours
Mina ngisafana.
20 minutes.
Mina ngiyazikhulumela ngisafana noma ngaphuza mayonnaise.
nalo ke ebhala u4 sekuyajaba
Sekayajaba. Uyabona balusinapha shemo.
Tshwala.
Lethe la ngizonibonisa.
even the music videos bahlala bayi-streamline kan
Yeah.
uthi siphuzeni
Yo.
kushuthwa kamnandi
Ne?
but besisafika wonke umuntu
Tight.
bekutshwala yabo kuzoshuthwa kuzoba losi yabo
Yeah.
Yeah.
but before utshwala kunzima no hello
Mawucabanga hayi vele.
tshwala
Utshwala like kuno influence ngaleyo ndlela leyo.
utshwala
Wena sikhulumele wena.
kumnandi
Wena bukwenzani utshwala?
Kumnandi.
Okay kumnandi bara bukwenzani wena? Nawu bukenza
Why
ubusena.
ngithanda ukutshela kumnandi?
mina bongiyenze ngilosinaphe mina ngi-anti-social so
So nomuntu akiwe nje.
crowded spaces angathandi yabo so bengidakiwe I can tolerate yonke bullshit yabo
Uba nepeace kahle kahle.
akusi-peace tolerance
Uyakwazi ukutolerate.
avoid
Yeah, avoid.
yeah but bengisoba ngeke ngihlale endaweni eyisiphithiphithi ngisoba ngizovaya fast ngiba leyo muntu angihamba kuqala yabo ngiyashesha ukubhokela
Yeah.
ngithanda space sami hence production but bengibuhlabile we can go le all night nabantu
Xoxe.
because abantu ababhaka ukhuluma udoti like
Now.
hleli sonke no nabantu mara indlebe angeke uyivale so mamele yonke le nonsense 30 minutes yabo uthi uzama ukubheka ifoni yakho but ayabona ukuthi hayi
No, akuyazwakala.
ngathi ungahlala nalabaya ngathi banefani
Amazulu bhuti lo othi.
and that's not good you shouldn't be that person ebantwini umuntu whatever afuna ukuyikhuluma noma ibheda kanjani yabo it's just talk so yabo
Amazulu bhuti lo othi nisinye utshwala.
problem
Utshwala bomnandi. Mina ngiphuza utshwala ngotshwala. Mina ngiyibona utshwala amazulu.
Mara bafethu
Azibuye utshwala.
before si rap up mara mazinga encourage youth bafethu ukuthi sinciphiseni bafethu etshwaleni bafethu.
Nasetsangweni.
Hayi intsango zingayifaki. Sinciphiseni bafethu etshwaleni
Akunciphe
bafethu.
konke.
Hayi bafethu niyaphuza bafethu.
akunciphe konke
Akunciphe.
ipipe insango alcohol amazena amadrug like akunciphe
Konke kube baphela isavana.
substance ayinciphe
Kwakhona
konke
nje akunciphe nje.
akuncipheni bafethu that's because lezi zinto lezi na
Mm.
into erely ukuthi wena uyithathe before uzocopa with something it's a problem
Yeah, maso dependent ku something. Shoot awusazi operate nje so skeleton.
because you suffer saphela isizwe vele
Hayi bafethu safa
Tshwala.
saphela sizwe bafethu utshwala nyanicela bafethu.
Hayi aningathi
Athi sivaleni bafethu. Ngiyanicela bafethu sinama number of death cases abantu abangena ezulwini nje mongayilayinini badakiwe. Akekho umuntu ocommit suicide soba. Butshwala so abiyekwe bafethu utshwala buvalwe kuko kaphela amasavana ukhumbula bathi savana iphelile. Liwe niphuza ngakhona. So bafethu siyanicela bafethu
yaphela.
mthendeleko zero alcohol.
Hey,
Like tshwala akho great.
mama lesikhuze mabroa
Ama brewer avalwe.
Mara nabo bathi
umuntu yathanda angeke ukuthi sinciphiseni ngogotho ke siniphise umuntu uyayithanda la asicaleni
The brewer.
mali abangeke ulunga
Angeke.
Hayi bafethu yabona le yethu ngahambe ngithili kusasa kanye liphele le so because abantu abafuna ukuthola yabo
Quizbeat yonke indawo yabo yonke indawo futhi nangikutshelile botheme Quizbeat ku Google angeke kuvele uNtariana kuvele imoto kuvela mina kuphela wonke ama page ayi6
hayi moto
Google.
vele into zami kuphela
ngane ngevar
Why kuvela inqina la?
kawa kuwizile ngini la kusena ukufuna ukuthola abantu la
Yalla.
yeah yonke indawo social media yonke indawo
Quizbeat
yonke indawo
Le.
hlaba wonke
jikelele wena ntana
no
yamthola
underscore no nothing
no underscore no nothing just with the beat
Just with
hlaba wonke la kusendla
Yeah, Facebook unomcobo Mngomedulu, Instagram ncebos_Mngomedulu. Madlakadla nyazi into enjalo nje.
ne so mina bafethu ngegama ngokatlego Ntariana Mula aka Mr. Soweto Kafela Motsiba aka Mr. Cool himself. Thanks for watching Ikwata and Chill bafethu. Thanks for bekezeli out there muwizi mfethu hayi nje ke la out there uzwile informative mele kuye game bond yabo
sobuya maybe kusokushisa le
Informative.
no like isingama shy like I'm provocative
yeah
you understand yalimala so bafethu make sure you follow me on all platforms bafethu Ntariana_Mula bafethu amen Ntariana_Mula bafethu all platforms just Google uzongithola lapha so I think vaya kunathi ngi-irritate yabo
Google nawe Google.
so ngisho umuntu manje bye bye bafethu sokubona ngeke yakhe isaka